Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and I'll have her link down below. Hashtag Two Crafters, One Design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cars, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva. This week's theme, we have Cherry Blossom. Next week's theme is Maker's Choice. So you can make whatever you like and just use our hashtag. All right, let's jump right in. And this week I am using Mint Blush paper from Tonic Studios. Gorgeous paper pack. This is the one I'm using today. And then we all chose honeybee stamps to showcase today. And let me just say, it's not for the faint of heart. If you don't like putting a lot of die cut pieces together, this may not be for you. But the outcome is gorgeous. Love it. And for my creative time, I am using these two die sets there, and then this purse die. I don't know what took me so long to order this die, but I love it. All right, so I actually made a gift card from this. Just adorable. Those flowers were just perfect to lay on top of there. I just snipped a piece of the branch right there, and just put a little image on there. That's from another piece that I made, of course. But love, love, love this. Tied that little bow, used that little pin to add it onto the purse. And I added a little gem right there. Absolutely adorable. And then if you can tell, I don't know if you can see it, but on here it has little XOXO on there. That's that little imprint that's on the purse. I snipped it and then just added a different color to that on there. There goes the back of my card. Like the leaf, that little branch just continued. See how I got that? It just continues to the other side there. And I also did the same thing with the top of the purse handle, and then that's where you would put the gift card in, right there. Oh, love, love, love this thing. I know I'm saying love this quite a bit, but I do love it. It's so cute. Well, hopefully you've had the chance to join in on our challenge using any kind of flower, and we'll come over and visit your channels. Make sure you use the ladies' hashtags down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.